With her head high and a streak of compassion in her heart, Surekha moves around in her village Markal near Pune. Spreading the message of each one teach one, she encourages every villager to inch closer to their dreams through the power of education.
And this sum is negative 40.
Now an MBA in finance, she has surpassed every obstacle that life presented her with to fulfill her dreams.
स्टार्टिंग में मेरे पेरेंट्स सोचते भी नहीं थे कि मैं ऐसा कर सकती हूँ, मैं इतना जा सकती हूँ, ट्रैवलिंग करके फिर से रिटर्न आ सकती हूँ। लेकिन मैंने वो सब कुछ किया। इनिशियली 8-8 किलोमीटर में पैदल चली हूँ, फिर 6 सीटर से, फिर बस से ट्रैवलिंग किया है, फिर से वापस आई हूँ। लेकिन फिर मेरे मम्मी पापा, अरे तूने तो सब कर लिया, मैं कर सकती हूँ और मैं करूँगी।
Dedicated to achieve the unthinkable, Surekha studied with all her heart. Her persistence paid off, and today this spirited youngster conducts her own coaching classes in Markal.
इनिशियल मोटिवेशन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। मैं तो ऑलरेडी मोटिवेटेड थी, लेकिन जब रवीन ग्रुप ने स्कॉलरशिप डिक्लेयर किया तो मुझे वो हासिल करना था। मैंने वो हासिल भी कर लिया और मम्मी पापा को भी एक बिलीफ आया, एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया मेरे ऊपर कि ये कुछ ना कुछ तो कर सकती है। इनिशियल पुशअप मिला मुझे रवीन ग्रुप की तरफ से और फिर मम्मी पापा ने भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया।
And she is not alone. There are a number of students from Keshav Raj Shikshan Sanstha Naveen Madhyamik Vidyalay who have been able to turn their dreams into reality, thanks to the Vidya Ben Premal Jyoth Charitable Trust of the Raven Group.
मुझे 7th में एक स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है और 9th में भी मिला था एनएमएस एग्ज़ाम से। उन स्कॉलरशिप के ज़रिए मैं स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया, क्योंकि मैंने हमारे गांव में से एक लड़की थी, उसे सुना था कि रवीन ग्रुप्स ने उसे पहली बार लैपटॉप दिया था, तो उसे हुआ था कि उसे 90% से आगे मिले थे, उसे लैपटॉप मिला था। उसके इंस्पायर होकर लगा कि मुझे भी स्कूल में जाना चाहिए, फिर लॅपटॉप मिलेगा।
माझ्या जिंदगीत जेव्हा जेव्हा चांगले संस्कार होतात तेव्हा माझा आत्मविश्वास वाढत जातो। तसेच त्याचप्रमाणे रवीन केबल्सने सुद्धा मला एक आत्मविश्वास दिलेला आहे, त्यामुळे मी त्यांचे खूप आभार व्यक्त करतो।
When I was sitting with these villagers and my father was also there at that time, this was somewhere I think about maybe a little bit more than 10 years ago, where we were saying that how can we encourage the girls to come and learn. So we said, let's introduce a system of incentives or a scholarship where a girl child is encouraged or she gets enough money if she performs well to, do like her parents release her from the regular housework and they encourage her to get educated, and that's where this concept started from. So the first year I think there was no girl child in the scholarship, and this year of all the 12th standard students that you've seen, all of them are girls. Year before last there were a total of 53 students, I think 49 were girls, only 4 were boys. So I think totally we've given scholarships to about 234-35 students, and plus laptops about 250 students. Their lives have been affected, but more than that, the lives of the other 2,000 students have been affected seeing those 250 students.
What started out as a setup in a small room in Markal has today turned into a 2-story educational institution, providing an array of facilities for the holistic development of its students.
when we set up our factory over here at Markalgaon, we saw that there was a lot of need to educate these people out here. It was a very difficult task initially to bring them out. So there were many things actually we had to go to them, to speak to them, to the villagers, to the panchayat. We also had to give them incentives to send the children. Then we realized that just talking to them was not helping. So upgrading one school, we chose one school and planned to upgrade it.
We started providing the school some basic amenities like lights, fans, benches, etc. Then they asked us if we could help them expand. So we said yes, we will help you all expand. So we funded some growth of theirs.
We have increased the number of students in our school because of this prize they are giving to our students. Now you can see the 4 or 5 school buses are coming from Alandi.
The Raven Group has left no stone unturned in their mission to promote the need for education amongst the children of this village.
For last 6 or 7 years, the girls have showed their brilliance. This is not to say that boys are not brilliant. They are brilliant, but they are not able to express themselves. Whereas the conducive atmosphere which this school has done, which the teachers have done, which Mrs. Shah did, all this help in giving a gentle push.
To ensure overall development of the students, the school has many laboratories and also a computer lab.
So we funded some growth of theirs. We funded some laboratories for them, physics lab, chemistry lab, then some IT labs.
Dedicated to their cause of enlightening the future of the country, the Raven Group has single-handedly taken up the responsibility of transforming the lives of the youth in Markal.
मन क्या स्कूल मध्ये एवढं देतात त्यामुळे मी प्राउड फील करते. घर में मैं सबसे बड़ी हूँ ना, इसलिए सब मुझे देखकर बोलते अपनी बहन जैसा कुछ तो करो.
Srinath resides in a small room with his mother in Mumbai. The two survive on the meager earnings of his father's pension.
टेंशन आने लगा कि मेरा फीस का क्या होगा, कैसे फेस करेंगे फीस के लिए. तो वो टेंशन में पूरा साल था. थोड़ा पढ़ाई का मतलब जो परसेंटेज है वो कम हो गया उसकी वजह से, टेंशन की वजह से, क्योंकि पूरा घर का मेरे ऊपर ही आ गया था.
A student of Sri Mamabai School, the teachers here work towards encouraging their students to strive big. If it wasn't for their support, life for Srinath would have been very different.
ये सिचुएशन में भी सब टीचर्स ने, प्रिंसिपल्स ने, डायरेक्टर मैंने बहुत मेरे को सपोर्ट किया कि तू कर, ये कर, पार्टिसिपेट करने को बोला एनुअल डेज में, एंड मैंने एक्टिविटीज़ में मेरे को पार्टिसिपेट करने को बोला उन लोगों ने. उससे मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि मैं कुछ तो कर सकता हूँ.
Boasting of a legacy that is 100 years old, Sri Mamabai High School functions in accordance with their motto, Privilege the Underprivileged. The school has radically changed the meaning of education for its students. From language specialists to computer labs, Sri Mamabai High School offers the finest teaching facilities.
So in spite of the fact that we do not get any grants and we all have to do it on our own, we really strive hard to get these children a little more of exposure, little more of way of education, which then gets them to know and learn rather than just mug up. So that's really the attempt which we are, trying to do, and we're really working hard, and hopefully it's making a difference.
इधर डालने से इसको इंग्लिश में बोलने का, पढ़ने का सब अलग अलग तरीके हो गए हैं. हम तो कम पढ़े थे, लेकिन मेरे बच्चे अच्छा पढ़ के मेरे को बताते हैं कि ये ऐसा ये लिखा है, ये जगह क्या है. कोई जगह लिखा रहता है तो इंग्लिश में ये बता देते हैं, इससे पूछ सकते हैं.
provide the right impetus to every child's creativity, the teachers use unique teaching methods, ensuring every child is given special attention.
Over the years, I have seen the remarkable changes in the school. Take it as a infrastructure, the building and the, you can say, the amenities the school provides, the strength of the students, the parents' attitude and the teachers' attitude also.
Spearheading this crusade with grit and gumption is the school's counselor and clinical psychologist, Shilpa Karya.
A parent who came to me and said that isko kuch dawai de do, you know, or usko ठीक कर दो, बस वो पढ़ने लगे. I only want that, but that is not what usually happens. It is like I had to literally make him understand what difficulty the child is having and what we can do and how he should also help in helping the child come up with the reading, writing and all that.
हिला लिहायला वाचायला येत नव्हतं. नंतर मग ती फर्स्टला गेली. फर्स्टला गेल्याच्या नंतर दुसऱ्या मुलांना बघून मला पण वाईट वाटायला लागलं. असं म्हणजे माहिती पडलं मला इथे शाळेमध्ये काउन्सिलिंगचं करता. मी तिला तिथे पाठवायला लागली. तेव्हापासून माझ्या मुलीला लिहायला वाचायला सगळं काही यायला लागलं.
Focused in its approach, this is one school that is determined to provide quality education to all. On the other side of the break, we bring you the inspiring story of the Raven Group, dedicated to changing lives and spreading smiles. They are putting in every effort required to succeed in their mission. Another learning center associated with the Ravin Group is Keshav Srushti. With a belief that practical and hands-on learning is the best way to engage and make the students learn.
Tank gets inflated like a balloon system, as in when gas is collected in this tank.
And one of the key subjects that the students seem to enjoy the most is the study of renewable sources of energy. Keshav Srushti in Uttan is providing a platform to help eager learners blossom into successful individuals.
The whole concept of Keshav Srushti is Krishi, Seva, Urja and education. So that is the whole objective of Keshav Srushti.
Keshav Srushti is existing from past 25 years. Gaushala, which already existed, also comprises of the Gobar gas plant and all, which is sharing the environment initiative. The nature center, which we started 5 years back, the environment center, which is doing, which has seen around 2 lakh people, 2 lakh students in last 5 years, and they have come here as an educational field trip. The medicinal plant unit, which already existed before, also contributes to our environment education.
Spread across an area of about 200 acres, Keshav Srushti is being developed as a hub for diverse social service projects. With a mission to promote solar cooking amongst the younger generation, Keshav Srushti religiously organizes workshops to inculcate the idea of going green.
The rays fall here and they get concentrated at this point.
And they told us about solar power and how solar energy is generated, like how sunlight can be used in generating electricity and how we can charge our mobiles, rechargeable batteries, then street lamps and all. Solar energy is used to run, and we were taught that how here at Keshav Srushti they utilize solar energy to cook food, they make solar panels and all.
So we thought that we should showcase this and we should educate kids from particularly from Mumbai who are not exposed to this kind of things, So we created a trail which was that time called Sahal, and where kids would come, spend about a day here, understanding various concepts, small things which are grown here and which are new, and that is how the whole thing got developed about 5 years back.
A group that leads by example, Keshav Shrishti operates from a solar-powered office and also uses a water pump that runs on solar energy.
In Vanaushadhi, we have installed a solar dryer, basically to ensure that whatever produce we have and which has to be used eventually for the purpose of research or preparing any medicines, herbal medicines or herbal products. So that eventually has to be dried. So instead of using normal electricity or gas to dry that stuff, we are using solar dryer right now.
Initiating young minds to make maximum use of the renewable sources of energy, their innovative approach towards learning are proving to be extremely useful. Powering schools like Keshav Shrishti and Keshav Raj Shikshan Sanstha is the Raven Group. Started in 1950 with 6 decades of persistence and perseverance, today the group is amongst India's finest growing business conglomerates.
We operate in 5 verticals. Our cables is one vertical where we have 3 manufacturing units. Then we have solar vertical, which is our renewable energy vertical, where we do manufacture trackers and provide solar solutions to various kinds of customers, like right from the home all the way up to the big industries, as well as the utilities.
The group's focused approach towards project management enables the creation of world-class and innovative solutions. Their values of sustainability, integrity and innovation propels them to perform and excel in all spheres of activity.
Basically, we have a complete range of manufacturing here in cable. Start from this 1.5 square millimeter to 1000 square millimeter aluminum and copper cable. We are also manufacturing specialty cables like FR cable, FRLS cables, LHLS cables. Apart from that, we have a full-fledged R&D center here to innovate, to research on this cable, basically the transmission powers and everything. So we have a full-fledged R&D center here for this type of research and development.
The group provides comprehensive solutions for design, supply and installation of extra high voltage cables for power transmission directly from power plant sites to primary distribution networks. One of the major verticals of Raven is the solar installation project. The company offers a comprehensive package of system design, installation, testing, commissioning and ensuring full reliability of the installation.
Raven Group is very much into the solar sphere by providing tracking solutions, providing economic megawatt scale solutions to the various utilities for boosting their energy generation.
Dedicated to changing lives and spreading the light of knowledge to all. The Raven Group continues to work towards this cause with even more zeal and enthusiasm.